If you're like me and you have the most cracked heels of all time, you have to check out this cracked heel treatment from the Pedestrian Project. First, I love this packaging. It came with a nice handwritten note, which I think is such a beautiful touch, and I love the size of this. I think it's going to be so great to just throw in my bag and take with me to travel or just on the go. I think it's a great little size. When you open it up, it's like a nice balm feeling. It has a good feel and texture to it. The smell of it is wonderful. It's nothing overpowering. It is made with shea butter, mango butter, and has a lot of vitamins and black currant seed oil. All you have to do to use it is just rub it over your dry, cracked feet. I couldn't believe how instantly I saw a difference with this, and even still, hours later, they're looking nice and moisturized and still feel really great. It's a great balm that you can actually use over any part of your body, dry elbows or knees, or any redness or just dry areas. It's super hydrating. I think this is such a great find, and I would definitely recommend it.